Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows BCD boot errors in BIOS or MBR partition. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair Computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Diskpart. Type List Disk. No star in under GPT partition. Type Select Disk 0. Type List Volume, Volume 1 is System Volume. Type Exit. Type bootrec /fix MBR. Type bootrec /fix boot, if any errors follow another one command. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type ccolan, cd boot. Type attrib -h -r -s BCD. Ren BCD BCD8.old. Type bootrec /rebuild BCD. Type boot dcolan /windows /l n -us /s ccolan /f BIOS. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.